I've got the OEM Harley Davidson forged carbon fiber fender to replace the original dented fender. It is only 4 bolts, so it ought to be quick and easy. Now, we're going to need a 1/4-inch Allen socket or Allen wrench. It comes with new bolts, comes with instructions, and of course the fender. It's just a bolt on the front and the back of the fork leg on each side. I've already taken the bolts out of the other side. I'm going to leave a couple of threads in it so that it doesn't fall when this one comes out. Set those bolts to the side and then we'll carefully slide it out the front. Side-by-side comparison. You can tell the carbon fender is significantly shorter. That probably allows a little bit better cooling to the oil cooler located right behind the fender. He may be camera shy. Mounted back on the tripod here, I'm going to take a rag and clean up some of that while it's wide open, and then I'll get to mounting the fender on. So this is the new bolt that came with the carbon fiber fender. This is the original bolt out of the fender. You can see they're a little bit different in length. The head size is a little bit different. This may be for like a CVO fork. We'll have to reuse the original bolts. So we will slide the new fender in. Get that bolt started. Get this bolt on this side started. Go to the rear, pick the fender up. Get that bolt started. So the instructions say to make sure that we have clearance on the tire front and rear. So there's not a lot of play in the fender before we get it tight. So we're going to go ahead, tighten these bolts up. I'm going to try to tighten them up evenly. The instructions say to tighten it 16 to 20 foot-pounds. I'm going to go right in the middle at 18. All right, guys, so we got the carbon fiber fender installed. Let me know what you think. I'm on the fence about it. I like the gray, but the carbon's also pretty dope. Let me know what you think in the comments. Here it is.
Everything feels right. Can you feel it? The energy is taking hold.
I'm excited about the carbon fender. It fits perfect. Bolts line right up. There was no flexing, no adjustments, no Dremels. Just bolted right up as it should. It's an OEM part. It might look good with a gloss clear coat on it, or maybe leave the center exposed carbon and paint the sides of it gray. I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna rock it like this for now. See how I like it.